Very good morning. Hope you all well. This is a new lesson. Our new lesson is addition. In this lesson, we will learn how to add the 6-digit, 7-digit number with a regrouping, problem based on real life situation, word problem, application based on additions, and then properties of addition. So today we will learn how to add this 5-digit number and 6-digit. First we need to check. First we have to do the addition of 5-digit number. Can you add this number? So we have some rules we have to keep in mind. So this number we have to write in a place value chart. So how to write this number and what steps we have to keep in mind. So first step is you need to write this number in a place value chart or place value table. And then this is a same number I wrote here. This is a place value chart. You know this is a ones place. This is the ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000. So first I wrote this number in a place value chart. After that what we need to do, then we have to add the ones place. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So this is a 8 ones. Next we have to add the tens place. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So 9 tens. Then there is a hundreds. We have a 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. This is a 9 hundreds. Then 1000 is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. This is a 6000. And then 10,000 is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. This is the way we have to add the numbers. Next is we have some more problems. Addition of 6-digit number with regrouping. How to add this large number in a vertical form. So first we have to write this number. This is a addition of horizontal form. We have to write this number in a place value chart or vertical form. This is our 4 is in ones place. You know in the last module we have seen how to write the number in a place value in a particular place. This is a ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 and lakh. First we have to write this large number in a place value chart. So this is a 4, 7, this is 4 is in ones place and 6 is in ones place. So first we have to add this ones place. 4 plus 6, 10. We have a 10. But we have to write 0 here and this 1 we need to carry. So 1 you have to remove here and carry forward in a tens place. Now in a tens place we have 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So here is also we have a 12. So this 2 keep it here and this 1 you have to carry forward in a 100 place. So here is 1. We have to remove 1 here. Okay. Now next is 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So here is 10. So this one you need to carry forward in a 1000 place. Here is 1. So you remove this one. Next, same rule you have to apply. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. This is a 6. There is no regrouping. Then 2 plus 5, 7. And 4 plus 1, 5. So we added the digit according to places. This is 4 plus 6. This is the first place, ones place, tens place. So in a ones place we have a 0, tens place 210, 0 hundreds, 6,000, 70,000 and this is a 5 lakh. Okay, this is a way we have to add add the 6-digit number. Let's try some more example. Okay, this is a how many digit number? This is a 7-digit number. We have a 7-digit number. Same rule we have to apply. First, we have to write this number in a place value table or place value chart according to places. And then we have to add the digits according to places. This is in a ones place we have 7, 7 plus 5, so 12. So in ones place keep it here and this one you have to carry forward in a tens place. Then you have to remove this one. Next you have to add tens place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. So ones place you keep it here and this tens place you have to carry forward in a 100 place. And here is 1. Now 1 plus this you have to remove from here. Next is 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 keep it here and this 1 is also carry forward in a 1000 place. Here 1. Then you have to remove this 1 from here. After that there is 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 is here and this 1 you write in a 10,000 place. Now this same rule 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1's place you write here and 10's place you have to write in a carry forward in a last place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 and then last is 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is the addition of these two numbers is period wise you have to read. This is 85 lakh 12,242. This is a way we have to add the 6-digit and 7-digit number. We have self practice. So add the following number. This is some are the 5-digit, 6-digit or there are 2 numbers. Somewhere are 3 numbers. So write same rule you have to apply. Write this number in a place value chart and add this. Hope you understood how